Looking for the best watercolor paint sets? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 watercolor paint sets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, MozArt Komorebi Japanese Watercolor Paint Set. Offers an assortment of 24 colors, from lemon yellow to cobalt blue. All watercolor paints are non-toxic, making it safe for all users. Lightweight packaging allows for easy transportation and travel. Built-in mixing palette and brush. With sleek packaging and wide selection of watercolor paints, this set is ideal for artists that enjoy painting detailed landscapes. A handful of users reported smelling a chemical odor when it first arrived. At number 2. Ohuhu Watercolor Palettes Paint Set. Has a pocket-sized plastic box and portable case. Includes 3 mixing compartments in the lid. Has a small painting brush and 12 watercolor half pans. Half pans can easily be swapped or replaced. Its affordable price and travel case make this set a steal for budget-minded shoppers. Box set may be too small for some artists to use. At number 1. Arteza Watercolor Paint Set of 60 Colors Tubes. Features a portable, plastic case. Includes a brush and sponge for cleaning. Has a 5-section palette, which is also removable from set. Offers 30 half-pan watercolors which can be swapped or replaced. With a vivid collection of colors, painters can showcase their art at home or on the go. Case is bulky, can't fit in a pocket like the description implies. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.